goes. Now let's quickly look at Nifty Auto. Strong moves in terms of yesterday's session. It was one of the top gaining sectors as well. Avinash, key things that the sector has picked up is with regards to Tesla launching in India. How are you looking at an impact with regards to where the EV space goes, specifically from names like Tata Motors? You have, even for the likes of M&M. How are you looking at this sector now?
I think, Hiral, it's going to give a much better variety of choices for the customer. Although, on the first look of it, Tesla seems to have not cut its prices. And I think if you compare Tata Motors or Mahindra and Mahindra, the pricing is definitely, which Tesla has adopted, is a premium strategy. So I think we'll have to wait and watch for the next 1 or 2 quarters how volumes pick up. But clearly, I think Tesla is not interested in undercutting. They have unique features for their cars, and obviously they are demanding a premium for that. So I think in the initial sentimental kind of approach, you might see a little bit of customer shift to the Tesla brand. But finally, Indian companies have also been quite smart. They have been upgrading their products, and the EV space is a very small space which is quite growing quite rapidly. So I think we'll have to wait and watch as to see what could be the material impact of Tesla coming in the domestic market. I don't think it's going to be anything significant, because clearly I think the market is large, and I think the existing product profile by Indian companies is equally good. So I think we'll have to wait and watch for some time.
A lot of people in the automotive space as well are saying that yes, it will find takers at that price point, but more of a bragging rights kind of a situation than anything else, because there are still questions that need to be answered about after sales service and various other things, not software related, but technical parts, etc., availability.
And over here is that they're saying that the entry price is not really posing a major risk in terms of the existing OEMs right now. So but the new model which will come in, which will be sub $25,000, that aspect is something that we will have to consider from a future perspective.
Interesting. So at least for now, the automotive pack seems to be okay. But then the question is, after the recent zoom, is profit booking on the cards? Chandan, what would you say on some of these automotive companies that have done well in the recent past?
So if you look at the Nifty Auto Index, we have seen some sort of consolidative move in the counter. In fact, some profit booking was also seen a couple of days back, but yesterday recovery was remarkable. And the good part is yesterday's recovery was exactly with the support of 50 days exponential moving average. And I want to remind here that from last 60 days, it has never broken the 50-day EMA. In fact, 3 times it took support and turned higher. So I believe because of that, the entire sector is likely to see the buying interest. However, we need to be very selective in the counter. So to start with, I believe Mahindra and Mahindra could be on focus. However, the stock has been consolidating in a range, but multiple supports are visible near 3050. So with support of 3050, it can head towards 3230 kind of level. And Hero Moto is one of the strongest name in the auto basket, which has given a major consolidation breakout of last 42 days. And I've noticed that 5 to 8 times it exactly took support near 4150, 4180 level. And yesterday it formed a strong bullish candle with long built up, surge in the trading and the delivery volume. So I believe short covering trigger could be there in the Hero Moto, led by put writing and call unwinding. So with support of 4340, this counter can head towards 4620 kind of level. So Hero Moto and Mahindra could be 2 key stocks which looks positive in the auto segment.